Dark websites live on a decentralized network, unlike surface websites such as Facebook or Instagram, which use centralized systems controlled by a single company. In decentralized networks, many computers connect directly to each other, sharing control and data. So, when we say dark websites are on a decentralized network, it means they're spread out on different computers all over the world, not stored in one place under one control.
This network is powered by a special software called Tor, which helps protect the privacy and anonymity of users. The decentralized nature of the dark web, combined with the encryption and routing mechanisms of Tor, ensures that dark web websites maintain a high level of privacy and are not easily linked to traditional IP addresses used by regular websites. As a result, dark web pages remain hidden from search engine results. When you navigate to a dark web address, your connection embarks on a journey through the Tor network, often likened to an onion. This is because your destination is wrapped in multiple layers of encryption, resembling the layers of an onion. Each relay in the network peels away a single layer, uncovering just enough information to send your request to the next relay without revealing the ultimate destination or your origin. By bouncing your connection through these diverse servers, your original IP address and physical location are effectively concealed. Each server in the network only sees the previous server that passed on the encrypted data, making it extremely difficult to trace the origin of the connection back to you. Despite the layers of encryption and server bouncing, determined and skilled individuals or organizations may employ advanced techniques to uncover the origin of a connection. Someone with access to your network traffic could use tactics like timing analysis or network traffic correlation. You can learn more about this type of attacks on our website. I'll leave a link in the description. Another significant threat within the Tor network is the Sybil attack. This occurs when an entity controls a large number of relay nodes. If these compromised nodes are chosen as the relays for a particular route, the entity could potentially decrypt the entire route and de-anonymize the user. This well-known risk is a key reason why the Tor community strongly advocates for more volunteers to host relay nodes, thereby increasing network diversity and resilience against such attacks. That's when a VPN becomes relevant and sometimes even crucial when accessing the dark web. It replaces your real IP with one from a VPN server, used by many others, making it harder to trace your actions. If someone bypasses Tor's encryption, they'll only find the VPN's IP, not yours. However, it's not foolproof. Authorities can still track users through VPN logs, unless you use a no-log VPN. To ensure comprehensive protection on the dark web, it's crucial to adopt multiple security measures. A key strategy is using a trusted VPN in conjunction with Tor. Some VPN providers offer built-in options to route your traffic through Tor, enhancing privacy and ease of use. This combination, along with a reliable antivirus solution, forms a robust defense against online threats. A VPN is essential for enhancing your online privacy by adding an additional layer of encryption to your internet connection and shielding your sensitive data. However, to ensure complete cybersecurity, it's crucial to combine a VPN with robust antivirus software. Antivirus software acts as a first line of defense, scanning files, monitoring network activity, and protecting against malware and online threats. By integrating the privacy benefits of a VPN with the comprehensive security of antivirus software, you establish a strong defense when exploring the dark web. We at vpnMentor do not support, endorse, or encourage any illegal activities or actions that violate local, national, or international laws. The dark web can be a risky and potentially dangerous environment, and we strongly advise against engaging in any unlawful or illicit activities. That's a wrap on our journey through the mysterious realms of the dark web. If you found this video informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, stay safe.